Today we're talking about the Everse 8 speaker and how we use it for our ceremonies. If you like this kind of video, make sure you like and subscribe below. Let's get into it. All right, real quick, we're gonna show how we have it hooked up. We're running a Sennheiser lapel microphone running into input 1, and then the speaker itself is powering the microphone with this DC cable, like 12-volt cable. Everybody kind of knows how to hook up ceremony rigs, so I'm not gonna go super deep into that. What I do wanna focus on is using an iPad to run your sound through Spotify, whatever the ceremony playlist is, and then also the EV Quick Start app to control the speaker volume wirelessly. So the first thing you want to do off the bat is make sure your Bluetooth is on and that you're connected to the speaker via Bluetooth. Then whenever you open the Quick Smart app, you're going to select your speaker, and then it'll pull up the mixer, and then I go to Edit Mixer down here. And these are all your inputs. The main, I keep pretty much set at 0. I use input 1 for the microphone, and then all your music is coming in on this 3-4 channel. So the first thing I want to do is check to make sure we're getting sound from Spotify. So typically you'll have your ceremony playlist ready to go. You're just going to make sure you're getting sound. And then I always control the volume for the music from these side buttons. So fading up and down. That way I can be over in this other app and still control the volume for the music. So the next thing you want to test is your microphone that you're going to put on the officiant. I'll walk around the room and check it, make sure every little corner is getting signals. Say check 1, 2, make sure the volume. Set your volume on the iPad close to what you think it's going to be. And then I always mute the microphone and leave it muted until I get it on the officiant. All right, so you got your mic on the officiant. We're about to start ceremony. Everybody's lined up, ready to go. You got some background music playing, and let's say the bridal party's about to walk into this song. So you're gonna hit play, fade up your volume using the side button. And then whatever happens next, let's say it's Flower Girls coming, they have a different song. You hit your next song, make sure it's up. And then it's time for the bride to walk down. So you hit her song. Make sure it's up. Fly beyond the last red eye, talking to your voice. And then you're gonna switch back over to this EV app. I keep it on whatever channel the microphone for the officiant's running. Once he's up there and ready to talk, you just hit that mute button and you're gonna unmute it, and you can adjust how loud he is on here, and it's actually picking me up. You hit that unmute button and then you adjust how loud his volume is. Try not to get reverb. I typically set this preset to a low cut. You don't need anything below 80 Hertz for a vocal microphone. So typically we'll run that preset on channel 1. And then a quick little tip, I always meet with the officiant before the ceremony and I ask him, what's the last thing you're gonna say at the very end of your speech or presentation? And 90% of the time, it's something like, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. whatever their name is. But you wanna know the last thing he's gonna say because that's gonna be your cue to play their exit song. So then we jump back into Spotify, hit their exit song, crank the volume up, and they're on their way. So that's the way I found the easiest and smoothest way to run a ceremony completely wirelessly with the Everse 8. And I'll normally just tuck off in a corner somewhere, not super far away. I want to be able to hear the speaker, and I just run it all from the iPad. So once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.